Hey, welcome back to Dillys Mobile. Today I wanted to share some clips from a video I actually recorded for my other channel, Dillys ADV, before I went back to full-time as a mechanic. So, long story short, neighbor called, Nissan Xterra, says, hey, my driver's side window is not working properly. Can you take a look and fix it? And I'm like, sure. How much time do I have with it? He's like, oh, not very much time, but you know, I want to make sure it gets fixed. So I went ahead and I ordered a new power window regulator, assuming that was the problem, because you know, typically that's what it is. Those tend to fail and break and give up. The day came and we open it up, and this is what we found. Not your normal setup. This whole vehicle had been converted from a standard non-power option vehicle to power locks and windows. Unfortunately, it was not done very well. I have to question if it would have been cheaper to buy OE lock actuators and OE window regulators to do this. I don't know. Maybe it would have, maybe it didn't. I've not actually ever priced out these kits, but I thought this was kind of an interesting find. We did end up converting it to a OE power window regulator for this door, and then he had anticipated on doing it later in the future. We have since moved, so we're not in that area, but thought it was an interesting one, had to share. So hope you enjoy. Be sure to click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.